If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to APT video update. It's been a while I haven't talked about this coin, and it was actually launched on Binance all of a sudden, and it's doing some really great amazing job right now. But there was a pattern previously that I was looking at for APT, and that's going to be this pattern right here. So you made something like this and you broke out of it, and this was your first resistance right there, second resistance right over here, and you broke out of it, and you can see that the technical target from the top to the bottom right here was actually met, and we saw this thing go up to $8.5. So that was an incredible trade. I never took this trade. I did make the TA, and I forgot about the TA, and I was putting a stop loss at 4.7426. Really I missed such a huge opportunity. Okay, 64%, but I actually ended up trading other things, so I'm not bothered. And right now we do have another pattern right here, so I don't know if it's actually clearly on the weekly. I'm gonna check this out. And as far as I'm looking at things, you started Monday, so the new week is upon us. Bitcoin looks pretty good right now. Bitcoin is looking pretty amazing. So my take about this one is that if you look at this thing on the weekly time frame, we are potentially trying to break above another key resistance here. I just want to dive into the 4-hour time frame to see where the proper place for this one is going to be. And I'm just going to zoom out a little bit right there. Yeah, so you have another pattern, and this is what I want to talk about very quickly here. And that is, you have this resistance right over here, that resistance right over there. I move to the downside like this, and now you're coming up and you're finding that resistance again. Okay, you still have a lot of work to do here to continue a little bit higher, but this is what I want to talk about. So if somehow right now you can see that you're doing something like this, and Bitcoin is looking for 23,000 as well, you could be on the verge of moving up to $20 for APT, because that's the technical target. If you're going to take this line here from the top to the bottom of that one, and you break out of here, then you might be looking for $21 to come in for APT. And personally, to me, you don't want to come below 6.98, because if you do come to take out 6.98, that's where the problem is going to be, and that's where you have a morning star. You have a little bit of support going on right here as well for APT. So that's pretty much it for this update, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.